How to edit your profile on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your profile on Amo app easy and quick. First thing, go to your Amo app and after that click on your profile icon to get to this page. Once you are here, click on your profile up there. And here you have edit at the bottom, click on it and you're gonna find avatar, nickname, level, wherever, and you can edit wherever you want in this. Just click on it and start the edit. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.